Since its foundation in 2004, the NATO headquarters in Sarajevo has played an invaluable role, supporting Bosnia and Herzegovina's efforts to reform its defense and security sector and to implement reforms that will bring the country closer to Euro-Atlantic integration while fully respecting its sovereignty and independence. In the 15 years since NATO headquarters Sarajevo was created, while challenges remain, much has changed. NATO has developed a close and effective partnership with Bosnia and Herzegovina. The most significant achievement has been the creation of the joint armed forces under a unified chain of command. This is a truly remarkable achievement. But that is not the only progress that cooperation with the support of NATO headquarters Sarajevo has produced. The headquarters Sarajevo facilitated cooperation in areas such as disaster response and fight against corruption. Through NATO's support for defense reform, Bosnia and Herzegovina has also become an important contributor to international security. The country is part of our ongoing engagement in Afghanistan, with 68 personnel currently on duty within NATO's Resolute Support Mission, along with contributing to a number of UN peacekeeping missions. Bosnia and Herzegovina is moving forward on the path of Euro-Atlantic integration. These positive outcomes show that concrete achievements are possible. NATO is committed to helping Bosnia and Herzegovina determine its future, becoming a safe, secure, and prosperous country.